Over in South Manchester, there were similar scenes as residents blocked the Bottup main road in Prospect. Motorists were forced to use alternative routes as a result. The residents eventually cleared the road after the police intervened by calling the JPS, whose representative assured them that work crews would expedite the restoration process.
My mother is a sick lady. She in Pampa, she cannot help herself in darkness for 5 weeks now. She have medication we have to put on the fridge. We don't have any fridge, we don't have any light, we don't have any electricity to put our medication, right? So that's why we take it up in the hand and see what we can do about it. So please, I'm asking JPS to come and help us, please.